Hi, my March 2019 Kinder Beauty box arrived a lot earlier than expected. So normally it arrives in the first week of the following month. So this is the last in my first 3-month subscription. I've already renewed. Unfortunately, this box not only arrived a bit battered, but there's also what looks like salt all over the place. So something inside has smashed. For those who came in late, Kinder Beauty box is a cruelty-free vegan beauty subscription monthly. It was founded by Ivana Lynch, who played Luna Lovegood in the Harry Potter series. The customer service is exceptionally good. I ran into a lot of trouble with my renewal. For whatever reason, the renewal was supposed to start from the April box. They accidentally sent me the March box once again. So I got back in touch. They refunded me for it and pulled back the box. So I don't get 2 of 1 box. So very quick and prompt customer service, have to say. Now this is my 3rd box. You can see previous unboxings, all of which I will link in the description box below. And yes, something has definitely broken inside this. Salt, some kind of powder. Look at that. Oh my. Now this obviously is the product card, and it smells amazing. Confession, I have seen spoilers already. So let's get on with the unboxing. Now, before anything else, let's get that smashed product out of the way. It's oozing powder. Now this is a bath bomb, and it has smashed badly. Yeah, you can see that it's actually broken, and a piece has actually come off. I think that's where a flaw of some kind was, but it's broken. It smells very good though. Now this is the Kind Poppies bath bomb. Handmade bath bombs are carefully crafted to produce an incredibly mild, soothing and nourishing fizz. Ingredients: baking soda, citric acid, cornstarch, organic coconut oil, witch hazel, Epsom salt, essential oil and flower petals. Each of our pure essential oils is thoroughly chosen not only to offer a spa experience but also smooth, soft, radiant skin. These bath bombs have amazing, nourishing ingredients incorporated into each fizz, and this one retails for $6.50. Unfortunately, lots of salty, but the entire area is a mess. My precious rosewood chair. Right, this needs a lot of tidying. Anyway, the bath bomb can be used, but about 1/5 of it has broken off. Can't be helped. So let me just put that away, and then I'll come back and show you. Look at the mess on my fingers. Right, sorry about that. As you can see, the bath salts are everywhere. And they're on the other products as well. Bits of bath bomb falling off, eh? My rosewood chair. Anyway, this is the Farmhouse Fresh coconut cream shea butter hand cream. The supple butters and vitamin E packed jojoba and soybean oils calm even the severest of dry skin. This cream is thick and luscious but leaves no greasy feel on the skin. I love FHF. You can never have too many hand creams, and my fingers are always dry, particularly this time of the year. So I'm very pleased about this one, and this one retails for $15. Now the thing about the Kinder Beauty box is that at least 3 products will be full-sized, and I've noticed that 4 products per box are full-size so far. So the bath bomb and the hand cream are full-size. Sorry, there's a huge mess everywhere thanks to that bath bomb splitting. The next product is also full-size. Let me get the salt out of the way first. And this is the Botanicals steam. This is the Botanicals steam from Franklin and Whitman. This organic botanical steam is a calming mix featuring chamomile flowers, peppermint leaf, hibiscus petals, calendula flowers, cornflowers, and lemon leaf to gently moisturize, remove pollutants, deeply cleanse, and dislodge dirt from pores. $22 retail. Oh, it's sealed. And I can't smell anything, and because of the bath bomb splitting. And let me just try to take a whiff of it. Oh, this is going to be amazing if you have a cold, and I tend to catch colds about 4 times a year, every quarter really. So I'm going to save this for when I have a cold and do some steam inhalation at the time. So 3 full-size products so far. And we have a 4th full-size product here. Oopsie. This is from 100% Pure. We saw 100% Pure full-sized eye cream in the very first box. That smells so amazing, and I'm using it every day now. I love it. It's very, very hydrating. It doesn't do much for my darker circles, but that is because, you know, I'm incredibly sleep deprived and nothing really works on my dark circles apart from concealer. So the eye cream is very good. So this is my 2nd product from 100% Pure, and this is the mascara. And the shade that I've got is Black Tea. Good, I did not want a brown mascara, not on my skin tone. So, full-size mascara. And it retails at $26. It's sealed. I'm not going to open it because I have a bazillion mascaras open now. I'm trying to, you know, not create so much waste. And so I don't like opening more than 2 or 3 mascaras at a time. I think I've got about 6 mascaras open now. And they're all minis. So I don't want to open a full-size mascara right now. So this is the 4th full-size product in this box. Now, the next is, well, an individual product. I think they must sell this in a box. So that's why there's no price given. Let's get all that bath bomb powder out of the way first. This is a sheet mask. Eve Hansen Antioxidant Sheet Mask. Contains a potent blend of antioxidants and ingredients that are designed to soothe and reduce skin irritation and redness, soothe UVA-damaged skin, and to enhance overall skin nourishment and rejuvenation. That all sounds very well. Unfortunately, I don't like using sheet masks because they're not, you know, very environment friendly. This packaging, for instance, you can't do anything with it except maybe try to recycle it. And even so, it's very difficult to find a place that will accept sheet mask packaging. And, you know, recycling is, for me, the last option. I prefer repurposing, reusing, something else. You know, recycling is the last resort. The other thing is, you know, that product inside, again, landfill. So I prefer reusable, you know, those little cotton pellets wherein you can use your own essence. They don't come in plastic packaging. I've talked about this in this post here. You can also see that in the description box below. So I'm not a fan of sheet masks. That said, if they come in a beauty box, you can't help it, or a gift with purchase, I will be using it, but I'm not happy with sheet masks. Also, you know, for me, sheet masks in beauty boxes are not a great, you know, very exciting product to receive. So, hang on. The last product, which retails at $4.50, is this Palo Santo wood stick bundle. There is a very mild incensey kind of fragrance. Sorry, that's not the right way to describe it. Can't be helped. Also known as the holy wood, it is said to increase relaxation and bring joy and harmony into the home. Whether you light them or simply place them around the house, they're certain to delight the senses. Now, I don't think they'll, you know, the fragrance will pervade around the room if you just place them around. Because you really got to come close to them and take a good whiff to get the smell. That said, I think the smell should be strong enough if you light them. And, you know, I'm a scented candle lover. Maybe I can, you know, pop one of these into a scented candle, an empty scented candle jar, and see what the smell is like. I mean, I don't like incense sticks. I prefer scented candles. They're a lot, you know, less messier, and the smell is better generally for scented candles. Incense sticks, I don't know, irritate me for some reason. So I haven't, you know, loved this kind of product before, but, you know, open mind here. Let me try this one out. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products in this month's box, of which I don't really love the sheet mask, and I'm iffy about the incense sticks. They smell good, but I don't know, when I light them, what's going to happen, I don't know. I am a huge fan of that FHF product already. Just took a whiff and it smells amazing. The steam smells really nice. And the mascara, obviously, I'm always happy to get a full-size mascara, or any mascara really. The bath bomb smells good, broke a bit in transit, thankfully not fully smashed, definitely usable. in one piece, but the powder's falling off. So, not a bad box. I do wish there was one more makeup product, just a mascara, for makeup this month. I have no spoilers for the April box, and I have no idea what it contains, obviously. When I do know spoilers, I shall hit them up in the description box below, so do make sure you check back when I have April spoilers. They should be out in the first week of April normally. They let you know what's inside. So I do have a renewal already, and will be reviewing this box for some time ahead. So do stay tuned for that. Where to subscribe, I shall link in the description box below. Worldwide shipping is $5.95 or so, and it normally takes about 2 to 3 weeks to arrive depending on where you live. Per box, it is about $24.95 if you are on a month-to-month subscription, and it goes down to about $19.95 per month if you are on a 1-year subscription. Postage remains the same irrespective of the duration of your subscription, and it is worldwide shipping. Within the USA, I think shipping is free. So those are my thoughts on the March 2019 Kinda Beauty box. Have you subscribed to this? Have you tried this out? Are you interested in something like this? What are your thoughts? What is your favorite beauty box subscription? I would love to know. Do tell me all of that in the comments below. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up, and please do hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell, and I'll speak to you soon.